We usually associate naan bread with curries, but here's a great alternative. I'm going to turn these mini naan breads into French toast, the perfect Sunday brekkie. Now in a bowl, I'll whisk 3 eggs with a generous pinch of cinnamon, and you can change up the spices. Clove works nicely and allspice works nicely too. Once all the egg yolk and egg white are combined, for some sweetness, maple syrup, and then we'll bring the whole thing together with some thickened cream. Fabulous. Now we need to heat up a pan, a non-stick pan, and I like to use the combination of butter and oil. Butter is going to give it a lovely nutty flavour, and the oil is going to help prevent the butter from burning. So we only need a little splash. Now we'll just swirl that around the pan. Now while the butter is melting, I'll grab one of my mini naan and we'll dunk it into the egg mixture, and then just shake off the excess and then carefully place it in the pan. Now be careful not to overcrowd the pan. We just want to cook 2 at a time. I'm going to make 4 in total. Okay, the French toast is ready. Look how soft and spongy the mini naan becomes after it's been cooked in the pan. Yum-o. Now for some toppings, I like another little drizzle of maple syrup over the top, and just allow it to just drizzle down the sides, just like pancakes. And then some extra cinnamon over the top, and lots of fresh strawberries, but you can use any berry you like. A nice mound of them, a few more. And then just to make it look extra special, a dusting of icing sugar. This is a fantastic recipe idea to do, particularly if you've got some leftover mini naans from the night before.